history, art and culture, trend analysis, year-wise number of question in preliminary examination in UPSC Civil Services. Year, number of questions asking in examination 2022, number of 7 questions asking in examination 2021, 11 questions, 2020, 6 questions, 2019, 7 questions, again 2018, 7 questions, 2071, 5 questions, 2016, 7 questions, 2015, 5 questions, 2022, maximum number of questions, 13 questions, 2013, 9 questions, and 2012, 6 questions asking in UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination.